Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And last night I did a video on this and how somebody recreated it. And then I started thinking if you wanted to make them longer, because this is a group of items, you could grab that very far corner line and it should snap right to it. And I'm a little bit off. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Because they're a group, you can just grab it and grab that and it should snap right to that line. So now we have a long line of them, because I just duplicated it. If we kind of test it here, make 2-point lines and then go and take the Smart Fill tool and fill in one of the lines, you can see that it's filling in the lines. Another way you could make that line before and having to do it, snap to and everything, would be to just draw a line like this. So let's just take a 2-point line and make it kind of that angle that is at. Grab the shape tool and add nodes. Add however many nodes you want. That might be too many, but then just take them all now and right click and convert them to a curve, and then curve these lines. You don't even have to do that. Let's don't do that. Let's don't convert them to a line or a curve. Let's just do them individually, make them points. And if you wanted to get it perfect, then you could do it perfect. A couple of things you could do here. You could go to Windows, Dockers, Corners, and you could round off the corners a little bit and make it a wavy line. Or you could always take the smoothing tool if you have X7 or above and just kind of make sure you click on it so you see the nodes and just go through here, and you might want to turn up your strength a little bit here, but you could get that same wavy line just with the smoothing tool. And then you've got that line, just Control D and make a duplicate or hit the plus key in your keyboard. Open up like we did last night, open up the effects, blend, and let's blend them. You have to have both of them selected. Let's blend them 100 times. And now you got that same process, a little more even, let's say, and like to, kind of prove that we don't have to join anything. We can take our 2-point line and basically what that's going to do is stop the Smart Fill from getting outside that line. Anyway, neat little trick. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.